Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll use the concepts of derivatives to solve this problem. So as per the problem, determine a quadratic function f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c if its graph passes through the point 2, 19 and it has a horizontal tangent at -1, -8. So the first step is to use the given point 2, 19. Now this point lies on the function, so we can sub in x as 2 and function value as 19. So the idea here is to find the values of constants a, b and c in the given function f at x. So our first step is 19 equals a times 2 square plus b times 2 plus c. Now we can simplify this step. So we get 19 equals 4a. So 2 square is equal to 4 plus 2b plus c. So this is the first equation that we get for a, b and c. Now as per the problem, this function has a horizontal tangent at -1, -8. So that means this point -1, -8 also lies on the function because the horizontal tangent is at this point. So we should sub in the function value as -8 and x value as -1 in f at x. So we get -8 equals a times -1 square plus b times -1 plus c. Now we can simplify this equation. So we get -8 equals a. So -1 square is equal to +1 and then -b plus c. So this is our second equation for a, b and c. Now we are also given that the function has a horizontal tangent at this point -1, -8. So that means the slope of the tangent at this point -1, -8 is equal to 0. So we have to find the derivative of the given function f of x because that represents the slope of the tangent. So our next step is, so m equals prime of f of x and we have to find the derivative of ax squared plus bx plus c. So the derivative of ax squared is 2ax as per the power rule plus b plus 0. So c is a constant, so that's why its derivative is equal to 0. Now since we are given that the tangent is horizontal, so we can sub in the slope value as 0 equals 2 times a. Now the horizontal tangent is at -1, -8, so we sub in x as -1 plus b. Now we can simplify the step. So we get 0 equals -2a plus b. So this is our third equation. So we have to use these three equations to find the values of a, b and c. Now in the third equation we only have the constants a and b. So we can use equations 1 and 2 to cancel out the constant c and to get a new equation with constants a and b only. So first let's rewrite these two equations. So 19 equals 4a plus 2b plus c. This is the first equation and the second one is -8 equals a minus b plus c. Now in both equations, the c terms have coefficients 1. So if we subtract these two equations, the c terms will cancel each other out. So if we subtract all of these terms, So 19 minus negative 8 is equal to 27. And then 4a minus a is equal to 3a. And then 2b minus negative b is equal to 3b. And the c terms will cancel each other. So this equation has only a and b in it. Now we can reduce this equation by dividing each term by 3. So on the left side, 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. So 9 equals a plus b. So the 3's cancel each other out. So this is our equation number 4. Now we can use this equation with equation number 3 to find the values of a and b. So now we can rewrite equation 3. So 0 equals negative 2a plus b. And now we can solve these two equations by using the elimination method. So if we subtract the equations, the b terms will cancel each other out because both b terms have coefficient 1. So 9 minus 0 is 9 equals, and a minus 2a is 3a. And the b terms will cancel each other. Now we can isolate a by dividing both sides by 3. So the 3's on the right side will cancel each other out. So we get 3 equals a. So this is the value of a. Now we can find the value of b by using equation number 3. So equation number 3 is 0 equals negative 2a plus b. So we'll sub in a as 3. So we get 0 equals negative 2 times 3 plus b. So we get 0 equals negative 6 plus b. And now we can add 6 to both sides to isolate b. So the 6's on the right side cancel each other out. So 0 plus 6 equals 6. So 6 equals b. So this is the value of b. And now we can use either equation 1 or 2 to find the value of c. So we can use equation 2 because it has smaller numbers. So equation c is negative 8 equals a minus b plus c. So this is the equation number 2. So now we can sub in the values of a and b in it. So negative 8 equals 3 minus 6 plus c. Now we have to solve for c. So first we can combine 3 and negative 6, which is negative 3. Now we can isolate c by adding 3 to both sides. So the 3's on the right side will cancel each other out. So we get c equals negative 5 because negative 8 plus 3 is equal to negative 5. So now we can write the equation of the quadratic function, and that will be f at x equals, so 3x square because 3 is the a value we got, and then plus 6x because b value is 6, and then minus 5. So this should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So we have to first identify the points that are given that lie on the function. So we just sub the coordinates as x and y values and get the first two equations in this case from 219 and negative 1, negative 8. And then we find the derivative of the function and set it equal to 0 because the tangent is horizontal. And we sub in x as negative 1 because that's the x value of the point. And then we solve these three equations to find the values of a, b, and c. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.